Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we did have a bit of a green bar, but that basically after hours for the DAX because that came in sort of or late for us European and South African type time zone people, and that was based on the Fed's coming out, just confirming to the world what they're going to be doing. So I'm still a bit hesitant to jump into this at the moment. The thing is, what's happened with the Feds is basically they've given the world the bad news that they know has been coming, and obviously there's a lot of people that have been trading and waiting for that bad news, but I think a lot of them have been taken out with the squirt that we saw yesterday. So at the moment, this is still consolidating in my view. It is still in the middle of nowhere. We do have a couple of breaks and some decent structure here. That's the first one. So if I just put the bottom one on there. So there was a flag break. We broke up. We've come back to test it. So technically, what should be happening now, and my mouse is battling this morning, is we should be looking for a break of something like that, which should set a fairly decent cup and handle. So here is the cup, and this will be a double handle here. But we're going to need to look for some area for a breakout before we start trying to jump into this. So you can see we've got a bit of a breakout here. So we're looking for a pullback. And what I would be doing is just look for this area here and maybe look at something like that. So we're looking for a pullback onto 15,600 before you start buying into this. So this moving average crossover and the break needs to hold. So pricing's come back and test it, and then we need to hold. So if that doesn't work, then if it just keeps jumping, keeps running to the upside, which I doubt, I don't think it's going to sort of break 15.6 or gap up above 15.650. So I think we'll probably just range until the US opens, or alternatively just drift lower into some structure. And that's kind of what I'd be looking at buying into this. So even a pullback as deep as 15536 would be looked at. So starting to prickle my interest, but don't trust it just yet. So wait for that pullback and just see if there is an opportunity before buying into this. And those are the three levels that I'd be watching today. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.